remained in this state, broken. Bits that have shattered under the weight of my unforgiving world, unheard, where even though I shout and scream, it seems as if I am voiceless. My silenced screams echo volumes around me.
The ones closest to me feel like my enemies. My people shying away from me, telling me that this is just a phase, a rut, a daze. Snap out of it, they say, but don't tell anyone because log kya kahenge?
I look at my community, pride and pity, heart and hypocrisy, uninterested, but unfortunately, pitifully unlearned, that I am not being a drama queen, that I'm not here to make a scene, that I suffer something so real, that I beg, I pray that one day they embrace the truth, that one day their ivory tower of ignorance comes crumbling down, and from it I rise.
I take my stand, determined, brittle, yet brave, ready to fight my battle on the two fronts of self and society.
I am my own warrior.
I go now, ready to reclaim what was taken away from me.
I am my own warrior.
And I ride to destroy the stigmas that society holds.
I am my own warrior.
And I ride to put back together the broken pieces of my own self, prettier and stronger than ever.